Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update smart thermostat integration to manage EV charging, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure your smart thermostat is installed and connected to your Wi-Fi network. Next, check if your electric vehicle charging station is compatible with smart home integration. Research the manufacturer's specifications for your electric vehicle and smart thermostat. Download the latest version of the Thermostats app from your device's app store. Open the app and log into your account. Navigate to the Settings menu on the app. Look for the section that allows you to add or integrate new devices. Select the option to add your electric vehicle charging station. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your EV charging station to the smart thermostat. You may need to enter your EV charging station's network credentials. Once connected, verify that the integration is successful within the app. Next, access the Energy Management section of the app. Set your charging preferences based on your energy usage patterns. Consider scheduling your EV charging for off-peak hours to save on costs. Adjust the settings to prioritize charging during times when renewable energy is available. Make sure to check any additional features offered by your smart thermostat related to EV charging. If applicable, set up notifications to alert you when charging is complete or if any issues arise. Once all settings are in place, monitor the efficiency of your energy usage via the app. Periodically revisit the app to adjust settings as your energy needs change. Finally, ensure your smart thermostat and EV charging station firmware are kept up to date for optimal performance and security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.